All right, yet another breaking update coming in, Republic being the first channel to share those details. Now, according to sources, we are getting to know that Deepesh Sawant, the former House staffer, will also be summoned once again for further questioning, and Cook Neeraj will be summoned once again by the CBI today. So all three of them, who were questioned for several hours, they were taken to the house of Sushant Singh Rajput, where the entire scene was recreated. They were taken back to the guest house where their questioning continued, and it seems today being the second consecutive day of the questioning, we might be getting those pictures of Deepesh Sawant also being called in at the guest house where Siddharth Pithani just a short while back arrived, and the former cook Neeraj will also be questioned for further questioned by the CBI. So we looked at those pictures late in the night when all three of them were dropped to different locations by the CBI officials, and now they have been called once again as the questioning now goes on deeper into the entire mysterious plot of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Continuously updating our viewers on the same, where Deepesh Sawant, who was a former staffer and also said to be close to Rhea Chakrabarti, the questioning will resume again, and we are getting to know of Siddharth Pithani, and also the cook Neeraj will be called in. Pithani is already there at the guest house. Let me quickly go across to Anuj. So Anuj, it seems that today also, consecutively for the second day, Siddharth Pithani, Deepesh Sawant, Neeraj will be questioned once again. And before we do that, before we go across to Anuj, we'll play out that quick sequence of the confrontation that Anuj had with Deepesh Sawant last evening. Take a look.
दूर से रखो, दूर से लाइट दूर से रखो तभी।
लेकिन दीपेश एक मिनट सुनते लो ना। दीपेश, क्या काला बैग लेके आप निकले थे? दीपेश, क्या हुआ था उस दिन? दीपेश, उस दिन क्या हुआ था?
सर इधर से
आपने जब चाबी वाले को बुलाया तब क्या हुआ था? दीपेश,
चला दो सर, लगा दो सर, लाइट लाइट।
आजा एक मिनट मारो समय मैं मौजूद हूँ। देखिए
निकल जाओ जल्दी से आगे।
So that's Anuj continuously updating us on the live investigation taking place by the CBI. So Anuj, you're sending us updates of Rhea Chakrabarti. Notice that may be summoned to her. Meanwhile, we're getting to know that all three of them, Deepesh, Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj, will be called in once again. Pithani already there at the guest house.
Well, exactly. That's the latest what we are understanding now, that all three, they were questioned yesterday also. They were taken to the Sushant residence, and now they will be called again. So as we broke it earlier in the day, that all three, Pithani will be called. So Pithani is there at DRDO guest house. What we have been told that Neeraj will also be there, and all three will be questioned again today. But the major and the latest what we are learning, the bigger thing what we are learning is that now CBI is planning to send a notice to Rhea Chakrabarti, and this is also like regarding the questioning, because we do understand Rhea Chakrabarti also plays an important role, and the CBI is doing the investigation since from the day one. This is the day third in Mumbai they landed, and we are seeing continuously how whether being in the Cooper hospital, whether being it at the Bandra police station, whether being about questioning of all three who were present at that point in time when Sushant lost his life at Sushant residence, all of them has been called. So we broke the story earlier in the morning that they will be called for questioning, although the key maker is also going to play an important role. So what we have been told that he is also going to be questioned. But at this point in time, what we have been told, as we are talking at this point in time, Pithani is already there at DRDO guest house where the CBI officials are stationed, and this is going to be Neeraj, this is going to be all three there at the guest house. What we have been told, they all will be questioned today. This is to wait and watch whether the recreation of the scene continue as we saw it yesterday. It was almost around for 5 hours when the CBI officials along with the forensic team was there at Sushant Singh residence. But we have to wait and watch what exactly will be the next move of CBI. On the other hand, another important development in this case is that CBI now is planning to send a notice to Rhea Chakrabarti, and she will be questioned. She will be the part of investigation. That is something what we are learning from our sources, and and that is something what we have been told that now the further step, the next step of the CBI will be that Reha will be served with a notice, and she has to join the investigation. We have to wait and watch what exactly will be the move, whether the CBI will be going to Reha's residence or Reha will be called to the DRDO guest house where the CBI officials are stationed, because we do understand all has to be together. So because all three who were there at that very time when Sushant lost his life, they all have been grilled together. Now